I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to recover your Houseparty account. For that, open up your Houseparty app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of I already have an account. Tap on it. After that, tap on Forgot Password. To reset your password now, you'll have to enter your email address and then tap on Reset Password. Now, Houseparty will send you and reset instructions on your email. So open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you will see a link to reset your password. Tap on it, or you can copy the link and paste it on your web browser. You will now have to set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. When you are done, tap on Reset Password. Now your password has been updated. Go back to your app. Enter your email address or your username. Then enter your password that you have recently set. After you are done, tap on Next. This way you can reset your Houseparty account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.